fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox a Stay or Go kit. This is, I think, number 14 in the series. If you'd like to see the whole series, I will stick a link up there in the corner so you can go check it out. These are kits that I have purchased, but I'm not sure if I want to keep them or let them go. I have already let some of the ones from the previous videos go. Some of them I passed on to other people before we made the move. Some of them I've passed on since we made the move, but just some that I'm like, they're still on my shelf because I thought I wanted them, but I feel like I need to open them and look at them to see if I really want them. So this is another Diamond Art Club. It's been on my shelf for quite some time. So I'm going to open it up and we're going to look at it, and then you guys can help me decide whether I should keep it or whether I should let it go. Don't go anywhere. Okay, so I've got the canvas relaxing. These are the drills. So I will say one point in its favor already is that it's round, just because rounds go faster for me. So that's automatically a plus, because one of the minuses for me is its size. But we'll look at the drills in a minute. We have our instructions, which I don't need, and our stickers under here. We will also look at those in a minute. And then we have our toolkit, which, as you can see, is in their older bag. So this is obviously an older kit. So here are all the things that came in the kit. We've got their older tray with the stopper. We've got a bag full of baggies that I will never use. We've got our diamond painting pen and a matching scrunchie. We've got our 2 plates of heart-shaped wax. We've got extra multi-placers. So we've got a 4 and a 7 placer. We also get some cute little striped gold foil washi tape, and then we get this adorable little kitten cover minder. That's so cute. I've just been sticking the ones as I come across them onto my little rolling cart that I have next to me for organization stuff, so I'll probably just stick this one on there. But that's what comes in the toolkit. So what kit am I not sure about? This one is called Love Your Inner Child. And I actually think I have another one by this same artist, which was my Phoenix one, which was another one of my Stay or Go kits. I still have it because I'm just not sure. But one of the minuses for that kit is the same thing that's a minus for me for this kit. The Phoenix one is all basically yellow, it looks like, and this looks like it's all basically green. Now, I'm a sucker for dragons, which was one of the reasons that I bought this one, and I think it's really cute. But I just don't know if I would like something monochromatic like this, where it's, I don't mean black and gray and white and monochromatic, just that it's all kind of different shades of green. There's a few other colors in there, but yeah, I just don't know if that's something I want to set myself up for. So we'll see. Sometimes it makes a difference to look at the canvas. So as I said, it's a round canvas. It's on the larger size. It's not huge like Little Baker, but 51 by 71 is not small. And we've got, let's see, how many? 56 colors. We don't have any 6,000 colors. We don't have any fairy dust because pretty sure I bought this before those were a thing. But we do have 5 ABs in here. So that's decent. And I probably could pick some additional ABs. I'm fairly sure I've got some green ABs from some other projects and my spanglers and things done that maybe I would want to keep this one. Like I said, I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about it. So let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. So I can't get all of this on the screen, so I will, as always, take B-roll so that you guys can kind of see the whole canvas. I don't know. I mean, it's Diamond Art Club. We've got our schematics. I know the glue will be fine. I know the symbols will be nice and clear. It's not as confetti heavy as I thought it might be. I mean, there is quite a few different kinds of greens. So if I look, of course, we're going to have a white AB, and that's a lot of the highlights on the horns and around all the leaves. And then some here down on the bottom on his little chest piece. And of course, the daisies that are at the bottom. There's a blue AB that is kind of next to his eyes right here. And then he's got whatever these are coming off of his eyeballs, and then up here as well. Then we've got a pink AB that is on this butterfly as well as next to his eyes, and then up here where like these are little like twig horns or antlers or something. And then we've got a bunch of yellow ABs, which are like a true golden yellow, which are here in his eyes, and then also down in the center of the daisies. And then we have kind of a greenish yellow AB, which is all over the little dragon here. Kind of the highlight outline color on a lot of it. So it is really cute, and it's not, I mean, 50 by 71 isn't huge. This is about the size of my Muertos kit that I'm working on for drills and chills, but it is smaller than Little Baker. But yeah, it's a lot more clear and a lot less confetti. I mean, there's some nice multi-placing up here in the sky. There is quite a bit of confetti here, but it looks like the actual body of the dragon looks like it will have some nice multi-placing. And then down at the bottom here, you can see the flowers. There's the yellow ABs that go in the flowers, his little tail, and then some more greenery down here at the bottom. So I don't know, maybe I'd be okay with this one. Again, green is not my favorite color, so I'm just kind of like, But let's look at the drills and see if that helps make a decision. So as expected, we've got lots of greens. We've got 3 bags of this kind of light green, 2 bags of this darker green. We've got a bag of this kind of lemony yellow, and then we've got 2 bags of this greenish yellow AB, which is the one that is all over the little dragon. We've got 2 bags of this dark green. So I guess this, instead of the white, this kind of peachy, really pale peach color is the color that's going to get used for all the highlights. We've got a bag of like a slate blue, and then 2 bags of like this kind of very pale blue. We've got a bag of dark green, only 1 bag of black, which is surprising, and then like a milk chocolate brown. Then we've got a very dark brown and a kind of pale blue. Then for this sleeve, we've got another dark brown, a light brown, and a chocolate brown. We've got a yellow, another kind of tan, and then we've got our blue AB. Then we've got a very pale tan, a chocolate brown, a dark blue, and another kind of peach color. We've got another dark blue, a green, kind of an off-white, and another not super pale yellow, but not bright yellow either. Then we've got another dark blue, a green, a dark purple, and then we've got kind of a pale turquoise and another kind of milk chocolate brown. And then we've got a purple, a dark blue, a turquoise. Then we've got olive green, a sage green, dark, like kind of umber color, another peach. And then we've got an orange AB, another kind of sagey green, a green, and like a true orange. Then we've got a slate blue, a pink AB, a very dark purple, another kind of turquoise blue. Then we've got purple, a dark red, like a dark pumpkin color, a pink, and a dark brown. And then our last 3 here, we've got like a super dark green, a peach, and a light brown. So those are all the colors. Actually, after opening this one and looking at everything, I think maybe I'm leaning towards keep. 56 colors is not a huge amount. And even though I feel like the green is a little bit overwhelming, it looks like it would be fun to do. A lot of my kits, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with them. I don't know if I'm going to frame them, if I'm going to gift them to somebody, if I'm going to hang them up, or if they're just going to go live in a portfolio. I don't overly concern myself with that part of the process because for me, it's the enjoyment and relaxation of actually doing the diamond painting that matters. So I'm kind of torn. Before I opened this one, I really thought that my answer would be, I'm going to let it go. But now I'm really rethinking that. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I know some people won't like the subject matter because I know many of you have told me before that you don't like dragons. That's okay. I love them enough for other people. I have a lot of like mythical type creatures in the diamond paintings and stuff that I do. Unicorns, dragons, all that stuff. Elves, fairies, whatever. But the amount of green does concern me. I'm not as concerned now about the size as I was because once I have it out and look at it, it's really not that much bigger than some of the other kits that I've done. It is round, so it'll go a bit faster. I think I'm leaning towards keep, but you guys let me know down below what you think I should do with it. I'm always interested in your thoughts. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.